In this video, we'll learn how to edit existing assets using the Asset Naming Assistant extension for HubSpot. Select Create Edit Asset button from ANA Extension app, then navigate to the Edit Asset tab. Choose the asset type to be modified from the dropdown. Enter a valid asset name and click Search. The system will display all assets that match your search. Select the relevant asset and update its name or other details as needed. Once the edits are complete, click Save Changes. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the asset has been renamed successfully. Alternatively, assets can be edited directly from the homepage in two ways. Go to the Search Asset Naming Assets section. Here you will find all the recently created assets using ANA app. Click on any asset to open and edit it. Another way to edit any HubSpot asset from homepage is to select the Search HubSpot Assets tab. Choose an asset type from the dropdown and enter a valid asset name. Once the assets are loaded, click on an asset to open and make edits.